I'm going to teach about how to sell your crypto. That is to have crypto in your bank account. That is, if you have crypto in your Bybit account, to sell it so that you have it in your bank account. That is literally how to sell your crypto, receive money to your bank account. So the first step you need to do is that you need to bind your bank account first to your Bybit. And how do you do that? You come here, you see what they call P2P, where they say P2P trading. If you don't see it, click on this more. If you are not seeing P2P trading, click on this more. Let's click on this more. That is, if you are not seeing P2P trading, you click on more. Let's do that. Click on more. So you can see that in P2P trading now, you now have in more. When you click more, it now brings out P2P trading. So from there, what do? You click on P2P trading. So I'm going to click that now. So it's now open P2P trading. P2P trading is a section of Bybit where you buy and sell your crypto. It's either you want to buy or you want to sell. So, but the most important thing you need to know first is that before you sell your crypto, you need to bind your bank account. You need to bind your bank account. And how do you do that? You go to this profile here. See it, you click on that profile. Let's click on profile. So after clicking on profile, you click on payment method. Let's click on payment method. You now see that I already have one bank account already. I already have one bank account. You can add more. So now I'm going to, let's assume I don't have this. So I want to add, or I want to put my bank account, I want to bind my bank account to my Bybit. You now click add a payment method. So let's do it. So now it has already selected what type of payment method you want, bank transfer. So now note, look at this warning. If your information is incorrect or has been changed, click here. What they are trying to tell us is that the name you have in your bank account and the one you have in your Bybit should be the same. If not, any payment or any order you make will not be processed, because Bybit does not accept third party, does not accept third party. So now I will add in the course of this video, we are going to add a live account, as in practical of our. We are going to add our account number here, branch or bank name. In this bank branch, most of us, we know we're using maybe an online banking, Kuda, PayPal, PalmPay, or Pay. So what you just know that you just put the same bank name here, So let's do that. So account number, I already copied it, I'll paste it. So I'll select my account, is Kuda. Let me just say Kuda Bank. I'll still go to the bank name and click on Kuda micro finance. Let me just say my Kuda Bank. Then you click on confirm. Now it's now asking me to authenticate. They want to know if I'm the one that is doing it. They now sent me a Google authenticator. If you don't add this to your level of security in your Bybit. It might be that they will tell you that they have sent an OTP to your phone number, to your email, but on my own case, I add a Google authenticator so that whenever anybody wants to move money or wants to do it, to bring them to this place as a safety measure. So let me go to my Google authenticator, copy a code. So you can see this is my Bybit here. So I will now copy this code. I copy it and go and paste it here. All right. You see it has added, before we're having one account, but you can see that now that it has added this. So that is the first thing you need to do if you want to sell or buy from Bybit. You must add a payment method. So now from there, what do? You go back to P2P. Where do you click to go to P2P? You click here. So let's click that. So like I say, P2P is a section where Bybit allow people to exchange dollar and naira to crypto to naira, and they have all verified all these merchants. All of them are verified. Before you can, there are level you can get before you can be listed here. So you can see this one is not eligible. Maybe somebody has reported him because of slow transaction or some thing that, so people will give him bad review. You can see that he's not eligible. So what do we do to get eligible and trusted merchants on Bybit that will not give you much problem or delaying to pay? You go to filter. Let's click on filter. Filter. Hold on, please. Let's click on filter. My network is giving me problem. Let's click on filter. Okay. So now, when you click on filter, this is how to bring it. It's not showing you. What you now click is this and this. Show only verified advertiser. Show only eligible ads. So let's click that. So it's going to display only people that are verified. And click on confirm. So now I see that it has brought it down. But if you notice, what do we want to do? We want to sell. So your selection will be this, not this, because we are not buying, we are selling. So we click there to sell. So that will list merchants that are selling or the price of people that are selling to us. So now, what do? If you look at what you look out for is whether those that they listed are online or they are not online. How do you know whether they are online or not? If you look at what is attached to this there, you see one small dot there is hash. This one is equally hash. It shows they are not online. This one is equally hash. They are not online. Now, this one, look at this one now, has green. This person is online. This person is online. So we will only deal with person that is online so that the person will pay our money quick. So now let's select. Now this person, you will look at the price that is selling. Let's select this person. Let's click there and click sell. So it's now asking us how much USDT do we want to sell. Type maybe 100. The reason why it's showing me that it has exceeded is because I don't have any crypto to sell. If you look, you say the value has exceeded the upper limit because I don't have, look at 0 USDT. But if I have, it will not display this and it will show me how much I want to get here. So when it shows that, I will now proceed and select the bank I want to receive the money from. Let's select here. So you see, if it is one you have there, you can select this. You see it, you select and click confirm. So when you now click confirm, you select the bank that you want to send it to. It's the next thing for you to do is to click on sell. You wait. There is going to be a countdown. You wait until you see it's going to now bring a button that you should release coin. don't release coin if you have not received alerts into your bank account. So once you receive alert into your bank account, you come and click on sell, on release assets, because we don't have what to sell, and that's why we don't have release asset. Normally it's going to be somewhere around here that you're going to write release asset. So this is a simple way to buy or to sell your crypto to receive your money into your bank account. If this is your first time for coming to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.